Welcome back to Makers and Breakers. Today we're going to be working on cleaning out our PlayStation 4, which is really important to our family. Our kids watch all of our shows and everything on this PlayStation 4. We're also going to be replacing the bumper came off the grip of our controller, so we're going to replace that today, which will be super easy. All the parts and the tools that I'm using I'll link in the description, but I have a precision tool set. And then I bought some brushes to clean out the nooks and crannies of the PlayStation. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if this video is helpful for you. Let's get started. All right, so step one is we're gonna crack open the top part of the PlayStation 4. And you do that just by pushing down on it. And as you can see, it slides right off easily, and there is a lot of dust in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little brush here. I'm just going to brush all the big chunks out. Alright, that's pretty good, but I have compressed air outside as well, so I will blow that off. I'm going to set that aside, and as you can see, there's a lot of dust and buildup. So the next part, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to remove a couple screws. So there's some T8 security screws, one right here and one right here, that are holding down the plastic lid on the opposite side. So I'm going to remove those screws next. I have this little box that I'm going to put all the screws that I removed in. There's two little stickers that are here and here. Now, if you remove those stickers, it also removes your warranty. So just a warning, if you got a newer PlayStation system and it's still under warranty, make sure that you go ahead and do that instead. Right here, I'm removing two T8 security screws. These were the screws that were hidden under the two stickers that you had to remove to access this panel. Now that I have the panel off, I'm going to make sure that I dust off all of the dirt that I could possibly see. Also, while I'm at it, I'm going to use this brush to brush out all of the connections, including the HDMI, the Cat 5 connection, and the PlayStation camera connection that's on the side of the PlayStation. Now I'm going to take the hard drive out because I want to clean that out as well. So I'm going to put my T9 back, and I have a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver there. Okay, next we're going to take off the bottom cover. So I have the pry tool here, and I've already started it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pry one edge open. I have both panels off. I have a few more T8 security screws to remove, and two number 1 Phillips head screws to remove, which are holding down the power supply. This is all pretty easy to do. Then I'm going to take my brush and dust down everything I possibly can, paying close attention to the fan for the PlayStation 4. To get this power supply here out, it takes a little bit of working. You almost got to lift both sides at the same times. I am going to take this out and blow it off with compressed air as well. And it's also probably important to say now that if you don't have an air compressor, you could buy compressed air in a can. I just so happen to have a compressor, so I decided to use that. All right, so we're all clean. It's time to button it back up and plug it in. Make sure I didn't screw anything up. Alright, so I got the PlayStation all plugged back in, so it's now the moment of truth. Does it work? And glory be, we are up and it works. Alright, now for our remote. So the final part of my project is I'm going to replace the rubber grip on the left stick, but since the grips that I bought have like a cool color ring around them, I'm actually going to replace both of them. So if you've ever had this happen to you, the grip comes off or it becomes loose. Mine's actually completely bare right now. So I went on Amazon and I found this kit that actually was going to work. It comes in a clear plastic box, but it's got all sorts of pieces in here. The one that I bought specifically has like these grips on it, but then it came with this cool top cover as well, and that's what I'm going to put on top of my existing left stick for my PlayStation controller. But instead of just wrapping it around, because it's got a little lip, which you could probably see there, there's a lip right around the edge. I'm going to glue it down. So I use super glue to fix almost everything in our home that breaks. You know, kids' toys, coffee mugs, you know, our diaper genie broke one time and I used super glue to fix that, and it still works today. So I swear by super glue. So if you don't have super glue, make sure that you buy a like 25 pack, which I will have down in the description as well, because super glue will help so many things around your house, especially if you have kids. All right, so I have my super glue. Another just kind of tip when you're using super glue, this will bond instantly. So do not get it stuck to your fingers, your hands, don't put it in your eyes, anything like that. If by chance you do glue your fingers together, acetone or mineral spirits will loosen it up so you can go back to your merry ways. So if you've never used this before or you're a little unsure of yourself, make sure that you have those things in your garage before you apply this glue. Alright, so I'm going to just apply a little bit of it just on the inside, and I'm not going to smother it too much because I don't want it to squeeze out the top of the joystick. So here we go. Now I've worked both of those on, there's my new rubber grips for my sticks for my PlayStation 4. For some reason this particular kit came with a bunch of the replacement sticks, which I didn't need to do for mine, but if you do need it, this particular kit, you could change those left and right stick, and it even comes with a tiny little screwdriver for you to be able to fix that. So that's all I got for you today. Good luck. Keep fixing things around your house, make cool projects, and we'll see you on our next video. Thanks again, and don't forget, subscribe, like, and comment. If you found this helpful, you know, I'd love to hear from you, or if you have a better way to do it, let me know as well. Have a great day.